What's up guys, yo Biglee here. Cable crossovers is a fantasy. Why? After superstar Rajnikant did cable crossovers in Darbar, I get all my PT clients wanting to do this one exercise. Okay, what's special about this exercise? Number one, you can see your muscle move in front of the mirror. That gives you a lot of motivation. The second thing is, on the way up, you generate complete stretch of the outer and lower chest, which is very important in the complete development. And on the contraction, you are able to squeeze the complete inner chest and you're able to visualize all of that in the mirror. Let's see how it's done. Take one step forward, your elbows are pointing upwards and you press the weights down, squeeze your chest completely, stretch, contract, breathe in, breathe out. And based on which part of the chest you want to hit, you can vary the angle. For example, if I want to concentrate more on my lower chest, I will go all the way down like this. If I want to equally hit all parts of my chest, I'll go a little forward like this. And if I want to hit those upper chest, I'll be going like this. So based on which part of the chest you want to hit, just make some minor modification on the angle and boom, you're able to hit those fibers perfectly. And the advantage, because you're working with the police, light load, the chances of you getting injured is very less. So go very high on reps, go for that extreme pump. This is an amazing finishing move for your chest because you're able to visualize your muscle working. Until the next episode on the next exercise, it's your Biglee, over and out.